This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. Can you tell us about briefly about where did you start working and how was that experience? Because training, whatever you do, you still are a student and you can afford to make few mistakes here and there. But once you are a company secretary and working for a corporate, the game is different. So can you tell us about your first job and how did that go?
Yeah, no, it was actually fun. It so happened that towards the end of the training, I happened to be deputed to one of the large listed companies who needed someone for a half a day to come in and support the team. And like I said earlier, how the opportunities come and knock at your door. I spent almost a month working half a day in that company. It was tough in the sense that, that company was on one part of the town. The training was on another part of the town, and I stayed in a totally different part of town. So, you get up in the morning, head to one corner of Bangalore, finish your lunch, head back to another corner of Bangalore, and then you come back at night, back to your home and do this over and over again. But, it really helped me because, the company secretary there sort of noticed the kind of work I was putting in. And at my MSOP, he was one of the speakers. He came and just said, do you want to work with us? And again, I go back to that same point for all the viewers here that do your best at every occasion. You never know what's going to come about. I'd like to believe that this is not just a matter of luck. This is something that came out because of the efforts. My first company work experience was great. Because it was a listed organization. I had not done listing compliances before. And you would not believe, I was given to handle everything from day one on my own independently. It was scary at the same time exciting because every time something is given to me, let's say a simple stock exchange intimation that you make, it really put me on guard to think that what is the law here? Am I doing the right thing as per law? That is the basic thing. In addition to that, am I doing the right thing from a best practices perspective? So it made me go out, look at other companies, what they have done, discuss with my fellow professionals and say, look, is this the right way of doing it? Is this not the right way of doing it, etc. So, those first 2-3 years where I would say really shaped my career because I was doing most of the things on my own. And that put me really in a position of having ownership of my own work. And as a consequence of that, I would be extra diligent, extra careful. And that approach has continued with me even today. When you get a task, you should have a 360-degree view about it. You should do enough homework, both in terms of law as well as best practices or talking to people around, etc. So when you go with an approach like that, most of the work tasks become complete. And over time they become less complicated than they seem to be. So that was one aspect of my journey. The second aspect of my journey was that something that I cherish even today is that even though I was young, I was 21 when I joined that company. By the time I spent about 4 years there, I actually became the company secretary and compliance officer of that company, the main company secretary. So I must have been all about but 24 or 25 when I was made the company secretary. It was a great thing to see that seniors in the company, right from your managing director, your the head company secretary, all of them are willing to support a young professional who is doing good. And that really gave me that, trust in the entire scheme of things, right? So because as a student, you will have all of these thoughts and inhibitions saying, will I get the right amount of work? Will I get the right amount of leverage or promotions? And a lot of such questions come. But, that really made me believe that quality always triumphs. And that is the case even today, regardless of how young or old you are. Quality is what matters, and that was an important lesson that I got. At 24 or 25, I was sitting in audit committee and board meetings of large listed company with an independent board, and you can just imagine how nerve-wracking and exciting it was at the same time. There are people in the boardroom whose experience is more than the age. So people are more than 25 years of experience, and here is a 25-year-old who is sitting and talking about corporate law. So great fun. I think those formative years really helped me become a good professional.
Yeah, I think what our audience should really take out of this is that, yes, it was a coincidence that the firm where Vinay was working and the opportunity which he got his first job, but that is just a mere coincidence. But the work ethic which he had put and the effort, and also during his 1 month at that place, it was not just that he was going through the drill, but put in the effort, and people will observe you, people will recognize you when you have that quality of the work and your interest and passion, and it's a coincidence, and then you will be able to do really well.